Hey everyone, just AG905 here, and I just want to upload again for another quick announcement. It's a couple changes for my channel. Where do I start? From now on, I'm going to be streaming on Twitch. I know, it might sound crazy right now. On YouTube, it's been successful for a while. It's been a good long run. It doesn't mean I'm not going to quit YouTube. No, I'm just taking a break from streaming on there for a while. I might also upload some videos from time to time, maybe now and then. We'll see. But I'll be taking a break from streaming from YouTube on there for now. Also, I'll be taking a break from checking on on the Discord server because I want to focus on on myself a bit more, because trying to talk with you guys, it's great and everything, but it's kind of been now a little bit hectic in there right now, so I need to take a step back and just take a break from there, and hopefully things will calm down.